say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning, you wonder how I got this way. So the panels are going to go on each side. Coming up, a soundproofing Lego set. Stay till the end for free Peterson pick. It's spectacular. Whoa, what's going on here at Door and Lock Tips? And then I'm going to set one of the panels on the top. We are talking soundproofing craziness. And they're 24 by 24. So it's going to come out about right here. And being about right there. This is a soundproofing Lego set. It's spectacular. So they're going to come up in the back. Come up on this side. And listen to this. Listen to how it cuts. Give me plenty of room to work inside of here. These are special soundboards. I can put it up when I'm cutting, and I can take it down. But when I run this thing, it is so quiet you would not believe it. Wow, is that cool or what? This is all soundboard. And these are special acoustical baffles. Here we have it. Door and Lock Tips. Yeah! Panels are going to go on each side coming up, and then I'm going to set one of the panels on the top. So they're going to come up in the back, come up on this side, and then I'm just setting one on the top. And they're 24 by 24, so it's going to come out about right here. And being about right there. Plenty of room to work inside of here. But when I run this thing, it is so quiet you would not believe it. I mean, all this soundproofing that I did on this thing, listen to that. It is so quiet you wouldn't believe it. But you get noise from the key, just cutting. So those panels stop. Oh, look at that. Those panels will stop all this noise out here. Yeah. Now, Ken is a great guy, okay? These are odd colored picks. They're not supposed to be this color for an 18,000 thick pick. Put gold paint on here so that he wouldn't get mixed up. And they're hooks. Let's see this batch here. I got 300 of these. Are they round hooks? Yeah, they're round. Real good close look here. Let's get out some picks. Look at these picks. These are beautiful. I mean, seriously, come on, guys. Look at how gorgeous these things are. You want one. So send me your email with your address in it, and I will send you out one of these picks. Free of charge. Ken is a great guy. He's my buddy, okay? My buddy. He's the major inventor of all this stuff years and years ago. So I'm just the avenue. Okay? I'm the avenue. And you guys reap the benefits of knowing Ken
So you need to thank him. You need to go to his website. There it is right there. And give him a high five. I'm going to send you one pick. So let's get it going.
Hey guys, so these are probably around 46 millimeter. That's what the pick's thickness is. They're all sanded. These are high quality, super high grade metal. They won't just bend and break. So I'm giving you a great pick. Ken is a wonderful guy to have as a friend. And I'm going to tell you, you'll be his friend when this is all over, because you're going to love this pick. Come on, email me. I want to give these away. Some gold on here, look at that. So he physically put this on himself. Now he's synonymous with the best quality in the world, okay? Peterson picks, everybody knows they're great. There they are. Wonderful. Now I'm not kidding you about these picks, guys. I got 300 picks, all super high quality from Peterson. Peterson picks. Aren't these gorgeous? Look at that. So all you gotta do is tell Ken how much you appreciate all his goodies. You just gotta tell Ken how much you appreciate everything he's given. I'm just the intermediary. I'm so happy to send these out to you guys. So send me an email, one pick, free of charge, no shipping, straight to your door. Guys, these are 18,000ths. Those are great picks. They're gonna work everywhere. Nice hooks, the rounded end hooks. 18,000ths. Look at all these picks. Oh man. Come on, help me give them away. Look at how beautiful they are. No burrs. They're just miscolored. So Ken's a great guy, great friend of mine, and he wanted me to pass along his beauties. 18,000. Yeah!